Future leaders will be less concerned with saying what they will deliver and more concerned with delivering what they have said they would, as written by David Ulrich. Today I will be presenting a speech on David Ulrich and how his ideas have influenced human resources. I would like to present to you the 3 reasons that David Ulrich is considered the father of human resources. The 3 aspects that contributed to David Ulrich becoming the father of human resources is as follows. He has created the David Ulrich model. He has written many books focused on HR, and he is a university professor of business at Ross School of Business. The first item that contributed to David Ulrich becoming the father of human resources is that he created the David Ulrich model. David Ulrich's model for human resource was revolutionary when first introduced because it looked at people and roles first and foremost. This is because people are our greatest assets, as David Ulrich posted on Twitter. The model, built around function rather than roles, defined the 4 functions that are key components to the HR department. The first role is the HR business partner, who communicates directly with employees, shareholders, stakeholders, and others. They are the point of contact for these individuals. Next, there is the change agent, which communicates organizational changes internally. They organize training for new skills needed for changing jobs or changing goals. They help adapt the organization for the next steps. The third role is the administrative expert, who has many tasks such as maintaining items that are updated to regulation and OSHA rules and other labor laws. They are also responsible for personal information and making sure it is updated and secure. The last role is the employee advocate or employee champion. They oversee measuring employee satisfaction and/or morale. This role is also in charge of leading initiatives to improve satisfaction and to make sure that managers are fair to all employees. David Ulrich has written many books focused on HR. David Ulrich and his colleagues have published over 30 books and hundreds of articles over 20 years. These books and articles cover topics such as HR and leadership. David Ulrich stated, "I like to co-author books to learn from those I write with." Human resources are the main topics in the books that David Ulrich has published. Some titles include Tomorrow's HR Management, HR Scorecard, Human Resource Champions, Result-Based Leadership, and Future of Human Resource Management, Leadership Code, and HR. Transformation and Building Relations from the Outside In, to name a few. Some of the publications address the changes that have happened in HR over time. His work has helped define and shape capabilities such as change, learning, talent, service, innovation, and efficiency. David Ulrich is a university professor of business at Ross School of Business. His teaching and research address the question, how do people create organizations that add value to customers? He studies how an organization change, learn, and leverage human resource. David Ulrich has also been ranked the #1 management educator and guru by Business Week, selected by Fast Company as one of the 10 most innovative and creative leaders. He is also named the most influential person by HR Management for 3 years. David Ulrich is not only a professor of business at Ross School of Business, he is also University of Michigan and co-director of Michigan Human Resource Executive Program. Some classes he has taught include Advanced Human Resource Executive Program, Barcelona Master Class with David Ulrich, David Ulrich's Master Class in London, HR from the Outside In Executive Development Network, Human Resource Competency Conference, Human Resource Executive Program, Human Resource Executive Leadership Conference. MERS, HR Talent Management, the leading edge lessons from the top companies of the leaders. In conclusion, I have presented you 3 reasons that David Ulrich is considered father of human resource. He has created the David Ulrich model. He has written many books that are focused on HR, and he is a university professor of business at Ross School of Business. Future leaders will look to David Ulrich writing to deliver what they said they would.